if nobody else is going to invent this dishwashing machine, I'll do it myself. And she did.
Nice. To me,
So,
it's so like wacky races. You know what I mean? Like, or like those cartoons where like Wallace and Gromit, where it's like an arm that comes out and
oh,
does
like
it.
a Rube
And
Goldberg machine or this
yeah, that's kind
crazy
of,
contraption.
yeah, in
Well,
my head, that's what it should be.
I
Like, it's
kind
so
of think
fun.
that's how it went down because she herself being, a socialite with no
Yeah.
hands-on experience of engineering or building anything, or even washing dishes. She didn't even know how to wash dishes.
Isn't that interesting? Yet she was like, this is a need. Yeah.
Yeah, there's got to be a better way.